Sagutan natin si number 1. Sige, eyes on the screen, focus muna kay coach. So, ang sabi dyan, which of the following is divisible by 4 and 6? So, letter A, 14,463. Letter B, 18,232. Letter C, 39,144. Letter D, 40,516. So, as you can see, masyadong malalaki yung numbers. So, ang gagawin dyan, siguro doon sa mga ibang students na hindi pa alam ang technique kung paano kumuha ng divisible by 4 and 6, ang gagawin dyan, i-divide nila sa 4. I-divide nila si 14, 463, divided by 4. After i-divide sa 4, i-divide din nila sa 6. Hindi po ganyan. Ang gagawin natin, mas patadaliin natin kung paano isolve si number 1. Sige, eyes on the screen. Okay, sige, burahin ko muna. I-clear ko muna to. Ayan. Okay, paano malalaman muna if divisible siya by 4? So, ang gagawin natin for us to identify if the number, no matter how big it is, kung gaano man siya kalaki, ang gagawin mo lang dyan para ma-identify kung divisible ang digits sa 4 is yung last 2 digits. Ano po ba yung mga last 2 digits? We have 63, we have 32, we have 44, and we have 16. Kapag ang last 2 digits is multiple sa 4, meaning that number is divisible by 4. Nakuha po? Kapag si 4, malalaman natin if divisible by 4, kapag ang last 2 digit is multiple by 4. O coach, paano natin malalaman if multiple by 4? Si 63, kapag dinivide mo yan sa 4, may remainders yan. So, hindi po yan hindi tama ang letter A. So, tanggalin na natin si letter A. This is not part of the option now. Ang option na lang natin, yung 32 ba is multiple of 4? Yes po, kasi when you divide 32 to 4, walang remainders. Si 44, wala ring remainders yan. Si 16, wala ring remainders yan. So itong letter B, letter C, letter D, pasok pa din yan sa option. Kasi nga, divisible siya by 4. Nagets po ba kung bakit divisible? Nagets po ba para ma-identify natin if the digit is divisible by 4? Ang titignan lang po is yung last 2 digits. O given the options that we have, ang titignan mo lang yung last 2 digits. So tanggal na si letter A. Nagets po yung divisible by 4? Bear with me kasi ganyan ako sa Zoom eh. Tinatanong ko talaga yung students, nagets po ba si divisible by 4? If hindi, uulitin ko yan. Pero dito po, sige, if you can comment kung nagets paano kuhain si divisible by 4, you can comment para mabasa ko din, no? Okay, and next. So pasok na tong tatlo. We only have 33.33 chances to get the answer. O ngayon, hanapin naman natin if divisible by 6. O paano natin malalaman if divisible by 6 yung digits? Ang gagawin po, kapag ang number or yung digits is divisible by 2 and 3. O coach, paano po malalaman if divisible by 2? Malalaman natin if divisible by 2 is kapag ang last digit is even numbers. Ano po yung mga even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Ano po yung mga even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Kapag ayan po ang last digit, automatic that is divisible by 2. Lahat yan divisible by 2 kasi even numbers ang last digits. Ngayon, pwede pasok yan lahat. Paano natin malalaman if divisible by 3? Sige, ang gawin natin, ipag-add natin lahat. So, ipag-add mo lang to. 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So, kapag pinag-add po yan, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Yung 16 ba is multiple ng 3? Kapag ang 16 dinivide mo sa 3, may remainder 1 yan. So, x yan. So, hindi po yan ang tamang sagot. Ang next, ipag-add lang po natin. 3 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. O, 3 plus 9, 12. Plus 1, 13. Plus 4, 15. Plus 4, 21. O, yung 21 ba is divisible by 3? So, when you divide 21 to 3, that is 7. So, meaning, the answer is letter C. Okay, uulitin ni Coach. Coach, paano na-identify si divisible by 4? Ang gagawin po, titingnan ang last two digits. O, itong si last two digits, pasok yan 32. 32 divided by 4, pasok. So, that is a good option. 44, pag dinivide sa 4, pasok, walang remainders. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So, pasok din po yan. Ngayon, itong tatlong to is divisible by 4. Ngayon, i-check natin is divisible ba siya by 6. Kasi itong B is not divisible by 6 kasi kapag pinag-add mo yan, ang sagot is 16. Kasi sa divisible by 3, get the sum of the digits, and kapag ang sampo ng digits is divisible by 3, meaning divisible by 3 yung digits. O, sa letter B, once we add all of them, the answer is 16. O, when you divide 16 sa 3, may remainder tayo na 1. So, hindi po siya yung sagot. So, etong 3 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 21. Kapag inad mo siya, ang sagot is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So, meaning, letter C is the final answer. Ganun po si divisible by 4 and 6. So, that is our first question. So, ganun lang kadali kung paano kuhain si divisible by 4. Si divisible by 4, ang gagawin mo, tingnan mo si last two digits. Kapag si last two digits is the multiple of 4, meaning the digits is divisible by 4. Eh kaso, sa question natin, ang hinahanap, divisible ba siya by 4 and divisible siya sa 6.